What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today a laptop fell into my lap. Today we'll be taking a look at the MSI GE76 Raider laptop. This is the Intel 11th Gen variant with the RTX 3060 in it. This is probably as powerful as my current computer right now. I was at Costco and this laptop seems to be staring me down every time I go there. So I figured I should pick it up and take a look at it. So here's some of the major specs of this laptop. It has an 11th Gen i7 11800H, 16 gigs of DDR4 at 3200 megahertz, a terabyte of NVMe storage, which is connected to a Gen 4 PCIe port, which is awesome. Of course, Windows 10 will upgrade to Windows 11, the latest Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth 5.2, a 1080p webcam, and a gigabit killer gaming network E3100. It is a 17-inch IPS 1080p display at 144 Hz. And that display is powered by an RTX 3060. So this laptop has 4 speakers, has 2 Dynaudio 2-watt speakers, and 2 1-watt woofers. A SteelSeries RGB keyboard with anti-ghost keys, and a 99.9 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery. The dimensions of the laptop is 15.63 inch by 10.57 inch by 1.8 inch, and it weighs almost 6.4 pounds. Let's unbox it. Well, it's a box within a box. Well, let's look at this box. It's a prettier box with a little color on it. And we got little tech specs over here. Alright, so let's see what's in this compartment here first. Power cable and a mighty power brick. This is a huge power brick. But you need a lot of juice to power this laptop. And the laptop. Let's move this box. And guys, don't forget to register your laptop. They're giving an extra 3 months of warranty and accidental, which is great. Warranty summary. And this has information on how to do a recovery from the F3 hotkey. So it's important not to toss this away. It's a nice little baggie they have it in. Let's just take it out. Ooh, it's a pretty laptop. This is a nice MSI branded microfiber cloth to keep your stuff nice and clean. Of course, we gotta remove the plastic. So on this side, we have one of our woofers, our audio multi-jack for audio and microphone, 2 USB 3 10 gigabits, one is a Type-C, our exhaust, and a connecting lock. On this side, we have our power, HDMI, Ethernet 1 gig, lightning port, and a display port, and more exhausts. On this side, we have another exhaust, 2 USB 3s, and a full-size SD card reader. I love this option, especially when you're on the go and you're trying to edit. You gotta pull your footage from your camera. It's great to have that instead of having a dongle to carry around. That's awesome. And on the bottom, a huge intake. Oh, this will be nice and cool. And you can see through here, the heatsink setup. That is awesome. So next, I want to do some physical testing. First thing is, can we open this up with one finger? It's not that bad. Next, screen flex. Not too bad. I mean, there's some flex to it, but it feels rigid. Up here, this feels like aluminum, but the rest is plastic. And the whole body flex, it is rigid. This is solid laptop. Let's see if this has any juice left in it. No juice. That's okay. We have this power brick to power it on. I know normally I complain about them using a proprietary connector for the power, especially when there's USB Type-C. But in this case, it's a little special case, in my opinion, because it needs a lot of juice, and USB-C taps up at 100 watts, and this needs about 250 watts, so you need a lot of power, and USB-C just can't handle it at this moment. Alright, now that we're plugged in, juice! It turns the light! This light here turns on too! And we're in Windows! Booting! And I'm not gonna lie, this is a very cool feature. You know, at first you don't notice it, but when you turn it on, it's a beautiful accent to it. It is a blackened out clear plastic that they have here. So when it's off, it looks like it's just all just single piece. But when you turn it on, you have this beautiful little glow to it. I'm going to set up Windows and I'll be right back. If you guys want a detailed instruction on how to set up Windows, link will be over here. And I'm going to make a new one soon with Windows 11, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so we're going to test out the webcam and the microphone. Alright guys, so we're going to do a handoff where we're going from our recording gear to our laptop. And overall, I'm really impressed with the video quality of this webcam. It's not so pixelated. It's not the best, but compared to other laptops that I have tested at higher price points, it is a lot nicer. Our next test is testing out the keyboard and the mouse pad. Feels like any other membrane keyboard. It's not too bad. Actuation point not too bad. It's not too bad either, but it could be better. I wish it was glass instead of whatever they used here. I feel like it's not so smooth. It gets stuck on my when I try to move it around. Alright, so now let's put one last thing to the test of this computer. It is a gaming laptop, so let's play some games. And one game that I already have installed on my hard drive is Borderlands 3, so let's play that. And there you guys have it, the MSI GE76 Raider gaming laptop. Overall, I think this is an amazing laptop. Performance is there. I was playing Borderlands 3 and I was seeing over 100 frames a second all the time, especially with this display at 144 Hz. It's really, really good. Now, they have a 360 Hz version, so if that's what you guys need and you need a bigger, more beefy graphic card, like a 3080, they got that for you too. If you do a lot of esports, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love the display on here. It's 144 Hz. It's IPS. The color reproduction is beautiful. The audio from the speakers are nice and full, especially for a laptop. That is a plus. I love the aesthetics of this laptop. It is really, really nice. I like this LED bar in the front. It just gives a really nice touch. I like the keyboard is backlit and it's also RGB. And the camera and microphone on this laptop is not bad. Compared to other laptops, it's really, really good. It's a 1080p cam. You don't see a lot of ghosting, not a lot of fuzziness and stuff. You still see some, but it's not bad. Especially if you're doing some Zoom calls, it's a lot better than other laptops out there. And the microphone is crisp. It's nice. Yeah, you hear some buzzing, but maybe some software could help clear all that out. Something I dislike about it, the keyboard, it takes getting used to. I personally like mechanical keyboard, and so I wish this had a little mechanical keyboard in it, but it is what it is. The trackpad, a little too small. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I don't like the surface of it. It keeps catching my finger. I wish they used glass or some other kind of material. I mean, those are just little minor gripes. It doesn't change from the functionality and usability of this laptop. It is a powerhouse. I feel like it's probably more powerful than my PC. Let the benchmark speak for that. And you guys remember, I will be doing a review on this, doing all kind of benchmarks and stuff, so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's up, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.